Boys and girls, it's the top of the street. It's coming soon. Taking it in turns driving our vans to the seaside again. Today, I've got to sort out the bathroom. Got everything chopped off. Got to look at replacing what floor joists need replacing. Putting a couple of stringers in because I remember one of the last videos the floor was looking in a right mess. Bits of it sagging and everything, so we've got to try and strengthen that. Anyway, on the road. Right, so we've got this propped up today, and what we're going to be doing, that's to hold this bathroom side up. Then we're going to be rejigging all that up there. We're waiting for a new skip to come. But what we've done, we've demolished the bathroom. As you see here, big open space. We've just braced that bit of timber up there. But when the loft conversion was done, it's not a proper loft conversion, but they've not bothered strengthening any of these. Seems to be fours. Yeah. So we've got all the plaster off here. Only the toilet left now, but we had to leave that for obvious reasons. Well, yeah, so ceiling's got to come down as well. Then what we want to do is we're going to work downstairs, fix all that up, and then we can start to rebuild this. But yeah, so there's that's yeah, we'll get all that sorted, get it all fixed up. As you can see up there, that timber's just rotten really. So yeah, we'll crack on with that. Go on the other side. Right, taking the bathroom floor out. It's in a right mess. Look at this. All the way on there. All the way along here. So that could easily affect the rest of the floor. It's just as well that it's coming out. I'll be able to read some of the old newspapers. Yeah, glad it's coming out. Right, all the boards are up. That end joist has had worm in it and exited, so that's going to be gone. Tom's already cut that one loose there, bless him. The ones where I was just stood on. So that's where that's going to be getting gone. There'll be a double trimmer going into that wall there, across there. Then all this floor can get rebuilt. They're going to have to come out the wall or something. We're going to have a bite to eat now, and then I think he's going to have to saw them and get them. Catch you on the other side. This is the downside of it. Upside. Oh, so this is all in that up for now. Fun and games. Oh, would you believe it? That's what I wanted to show you. Right, house is 1919 built. 9-inch walls. Could be decorative headers, but they're not. They're full 9-inch walls. So anyway, this is a 9-inch wall, right? Get this, 1919. So I've chopped the window out. Well, I started to chop the window out. I had to come off this job and go on to another part. This house here, look. Got a cavity. 50mm cavity. 1919. Would have thought it. So I was speaking to the neighbour, and he says, yeah, he said he's had his injected, but the activation would have passed on to this side. Yeah, but there's not many ties in either, he said. When he replaced some windows on his, you could see down the cavity and see the odd tie. Also, his house bellies, and I think this one does to an extent as well. Right, we got them cut and put in yesterday, but it's been a change of plan. They're going to be coming out. Got some different timber. Couldn't get the timber we wanted. This and that, whatever, to match up. I don't know. It's joiner speak. Different sizes. So what we're going to do is going to take that out and use the timber we've got for the rest of it. Right, I'm going to get them out. Pass them back through there. Back through there. Outside. And back out there. Through the old mate. There we go. We'll get these down on the floor. Trying to grab these, mate. That's them. Out of there. Down there. Right, going back to what I was talking earlier, why we've changed the timber then. Apparently that end timber there is 175. That one's something else. And that one's 172 or 177. But they are thicker than what that original timber is there. So it would have created a lip with our plasterboard. So he's bought a bigger timber, that's why he's done it. He's bought this bigger timber and then he's going to rip it to the required depth. And then that hopefully is going to match. You can see there, look, he's just running a scribe down. So then that is going to match the existing in there. So he's going to cut this to the length required for the trimmer, times 2. And then take this 175 off. And then that should match perfectly. So yeah, we're hoping to we want to get this in and get some sort of semblance of a floor back down before the owner gets home, which isn't going to be till tomorrow, but you never know. Curved balls and all that. You got curved balls, Tom? Curved. Yeah, we ordered the curved balls. Egg-shaped. Pear. Oh dear. Always guaranteed.
One flat tyre, one tractor tyre.
Yeah. Right, let's crack on. We're not here for fun and jokes.
Yeah.
But there we go, they're just slotted in for now. So we'll cut this out, slotted them through. They haven't been stitched, nailed or anything like that. But we're just commencing to get the hangers in here now. These are the twist nails. Just put one in every hole, fold it over. We'll nail it on the top side. We'll go up the other side there. They're just going to be stretched a bit because these timbers are a bit thicker than normal. But it still does the job. Plus it's double fired with nails from the nail gun. So there's nails from this side and the nails from the other side as well. So what we're saying was, this will fold over now and get nailed in place there. Easy as that. So I'm going to pull that back, make sure it sits square. Holds itself there now. Just tap one in there for now. Oops, not that one. So what? Let's. And you go. The chakra pops out of there now, leaving that one on then just to hold that end up so we get that fixed correctly. But at least this is supported now. Let's say it's got nails running through the first trimmer into them joists. It's got the hangers, then it's got the second trimmer, and the trimmer's nailed on both this side and the other side. Got that packed Slate there. Didn't need any slate that side. Well, I think it wanted one piece. Nowhere near. So now we've got that level to there, we need to level across there. So what Tom's going to do now is cut in the joists, and they're going to be sitting back in the pockets over there. We'll probably put a DPC sock on the end just to protect them a bit. That far corner there, I think the timber's gone there. So I think we're going to just cut it out with the multi-tool and bed a bit of slate in there. We'll see how it works for level. Anyway, I've got one more of them to do, even though it's going to be dead awkward. But it is what it is, isn't it? Yeah. Right, floor's back down. Back down. The new floor's down, we should say. Yeah. So we just put the bog in temporarily just so we can have a pee. Been all day. So yeah, so you can have a pee. But if we come down here, look at it from the underside. You see there, look where the expanding glue foam's coming out. And then under here, a couple of noggins where it meets the timber floor. And under here, look, you see all the glue working its way out, so it's filling any little micro voids. And on there, and on there. I've managed to dodge it today. Yeah. That looks like do the job. Oh shit, music. Yeah. Had a quick clean up out here. Just let me have a look, see how my brickwork's gone. See how it's drying off. Yeah, that's alright that. Light mortar, so that'll get lighter as it goes off. Yeah, the lintels for that window found out now, it's going to be weak. But it's not going anywhere though. It'll do for what it is. I think that's it for today. The bits of timber we're keeping, just in case we need to have, I think he said use it as a template. That was a sort of mule post which fixed to the bathroom wall. But that's the next job, the bathroom wall now, the party wall. So, in there. Let's go across there. And up. Oh yeah, ceiling down, window lintel in. Anyway, John's gone. Anyway. So, let's just get it pressed over here. God, what happened to the heat wave? What's come this week? Yeah, so you've seen us now. We've got the old bathroom floor out. We've got the new bathroom floor in. Levelled. New chipboard in. Yeah, so, following us on this journey. I think what we say it's lintels next. Well, for me it's lintels. I've done all the patching there for now. Not ready to do any more plastering yet. It's going to be lintels, but that one on the corner what I'm showing you, the window, that's bathroom. And then next to work out pipe work going. I think we're waiting for toilet to come. Looks like a special toilet. Yeah, one of these Victorian ones with a high level system. So, but I think that's it for the day. So if you like what we see, give us a like, follow us, share, comment, and if you want to see more of Tomboy, got anything you want to say, Tom?
Yeah. Hi. So Tom. Gotta get home. Gotta get home. Gotta get home.
Whoa, whoa.
Wow!
I don't know. Anyway, see you all. Take it easy. Bonjour.